Welcome to Money Magnet. In the world of e-commerce, Amazon FBA stands as an acronym that holds immense potential for anyone seeking to make a mark in the online marketplace. The power of Amazon FBA. Amazon FBA is undoubtedly a game changer in the world of e-commerce. This revolutionary service transcends its acronym, offering a pathway to unparalleled success. At its core, Amazon FBA, which stands for Fulfillment by Amazon, is far more than a mere logistics solution. It's a strategic advantage that can transform your online retail business. Let's delve deeper into the remarkable benefits it brings to the table. One of the most coveted aspects of Amazon FBA is its ability to instantly grant your products eligibility for Amazon Prime. This exclusive status opens the doors to millions of Amazon's loyal Prime members, a demographic known for its high conversion rates and loyalty. Furthermore, Amazon's customer service team essentially becomes your dedicated support system. They expertly handle customer inquiries, returns, and any issues that may arise, offering a level of service that can enhance your brand's reputation and customer satisfaction. And if you think Amazon FBA's benefits end there, you're in for a pleasant surprise. This service extends beyond the Amazon platform itself, offering multi-channel fulfillment. This means that you can efficiently fulfill orders from other e-commerce platforms, utilizing the same network and resources that make Amazon FBA so efficient and reliable. It's a seamless way to expand your business reach and diversify your income streams. Starting your Amazon FBA journey. Now, let's explore how to kickstart your Amazon FBA journey. The process begins with setting up your Amazon seller account. You have the choice between two types of accounts, individual or professional, depending on the scale of your business. Whichever you choose, ensure you complete all the necessary tax and banking information to facilitate smooth transactions and financial management. Sourcing products for Amazon FBA. Once your Amazon seller account is up and running, the next crucial step is sourcing products to sell on the platform. There are various approaches you can take in this regard. Some sellers opt for wholesale sourcing, where they purchase products in bulk from suppliers. This approach can provide economies of scale and a wide range of products to choose from. Others venture into the world of private label, creating their own branded products tailored to specific niches. Retail arbitrage is yet another strategy where you scout for discounted products from retail stores and resell them on Amazon, capitalizing on price differences. Regardless of your sourcing approach, thorough market research and careful selection of your niche are fundamental to achieving long-term success. Creating compelling product listings. With your products sourced and ready to go, the next critical step is creating compelling product listings. This is where your creative and marketing skills come into play. To stand out in the highly competitive e-commerce landscape, you must optimize your product titles, descriptions, and images. Your product listings should be designed to capture the attention of potential buyers and convert them into customers. Craft persuasive product descriptions that highlight the unique selling points of your products, showcasing their benefits and features. High-quality images are equally crucial, as they serve as your virtual storefront, giving customers a visual representation of what they're purchasing. Remember, a well-crafted product listing can make all the difference in attracting and retaining customers. Sending inventory to Amazon. Before your products can start selling on Amazon, they need to be sent to Amazon's fulfillment centers. This is a critical step in the process that ensures your products are readily available for shipping to customers. To begin, You'll need to prepare your inventory according to Amazon's guidelines. This includes proper packaging and labeling. Amazon provides a suite of tools and reports to help you track your business's performance, and it's crucial to leverage these resources to your advantage. Inventory management is a vital aspect of this. Keeping a close eye on your stock levels, reorder points, and sales trends is essential to avoid stockouts and overstock situations. Additionally, you must regularly analyze your sales and profitability to make informed decisions about pricing, promotions, and product offerings. Investing in advertising and marketing campaigns is another effective way to drive more traffic to your listings and boost sales. Amazon offers various advertising options, such as sponsored products and sponsored brands, that allow you to target specific keywords and demographics to reach your target audience effectively. Scaling your Amazon FBA business. As your Amazon FBA business grows and flourishes, you'll encounter opportunities to scale it further. Exploring new marketplaces, both domestic and international, can also expand your reach and customer base. Some successful Amazon FBA sellers eventually become brand owners. They create a portfolio of products that cater to a specific niche or demographic. This can lead to increased brand recognition and customer loyalty. As your business processes become more complex, automating certain aspects, such as order processing and customer service, can help you manage your growing operation efficiently. The key to successful scaling is to remain agile and adaptable. Stay updated on e-commerce trends, consumer preferences, and the evolving needs of your customers and the marketplace. By continuously refining your strategies and seizing opportunities for growth, you can take your Amazon FBA business to new heights. Conclusion. Embarking on your Amazon FBA journey is an exhilarating endeavor that opens the doors to a vast e-commerce marketplace. It all begins with the establishment of your Amazon seller account, the configuration of your FBA settings, and the meticulous listing of your products. Stay tuned for invaluable insights that will propel your Amazon FBA business to greater heights and help you navigate the ever-evolving world of e-commerce successfully.